Hello guys, welcome back to another video of 30 days CAD challenge where we will be making 3D models out of 2D models. Today we are going to model this on SolidWorks. The learning outcome that you would get from this video are how to use sketch commands, how to dimension, how to use extruded boss base feature and how to use extruded cut feature. Hope you enjoyed this video and let's start. Open SolidWorks and go on to new. Click on part and OK. Okay, so first of all, change the units into mmgs. Go on to sketch, click on sketch command, select the front plane. It is not compulsory to select only the front plane. You can start it from top plane and right plane too. So we would select front plane. Okay, so first of all, we would sketch this whole thing. Out of sketch, then we would dimension it. Okay, now we would dimension it as given. 8 mm, 40 mm, this is also 8 mm, 8 mm, 48 mm, 48 mm, 8 mm. So as we see over here, this whole length is 40 mm and this is 8 mm. So we are left out with 32 mm. So by dividing 32 mm on both the sides, 16 mm. Cancel it. Check again for dimensions if any left. Okay. Now we would click on OK and go on to features. Click on extruded boss base feature. Now we see it is extruded of 34 mm. 34. Okay. Our part till here is ready. Now we would first of all draw this circle, this outer circle. Click on this surface, sketch, normal to. Now click on circle and make a circle over here. Click on dimensions. The circle is given of diameter 24 mm. And it is in center, so click on this point and click at the center of this point. Give it a relation of vertical and then again click on OK. Again click on the center point and click on this center point and give a relation horizontal. So as you can see, our sketch becomes black in color. So this indicates that it is correctly dimensioned. Now we would go on to features, extruded boss base. It is extruded of 13 mm. Click on OK. Okay. Now here we can do one thing like going up over here and click on this surface and again sketch the whole circle again. But there is one more way to do it by selecting this hole. By first of all going into features, go to reference and select plane. And from here, as we know, this whole length is of 40 mm. So we would first flip offset and do it 20 mm over here. This plane comes in between this whole model. Click on OK. Now we would select this whole boss base feature, go on to mirror and select this plane. As you see, this whole thing appears over this. Click on OK and see, you can right click on this plane and select this side. Okay. Now our last step is to cut a circle through this. So go over here, sketch, normal to, click on circle, draw a circle of 14 mm. Press OK. Go to feature and extruded cut. Go over here, select through all and OK. As you can see, our model is complete. Practice the mirror feature again and again, and also how to use plane. So okay guys, here our model 3 is ready. Do let us know if you came across any difficulty in the comment section down below, and like, share and subscribe to our channel Start Scratch, and check out other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next one.